Hey Bled, what's good man? It's been a very long time since you've seen me on the channel. I am somewhat back now. I've been working my ass off and I have finally got myself a brand new soldering station. Now this is a soldering station that I wanted for a long time. It is basically this. I've got to put the brightness down a bit. It's basically, fuck off, the Quicko T12 soldering iron. It's also known as the KSGER T12 soldering station. It's basically the same thing, but literally companies are just slapping their names on it. I wouldn't call it generic, it's just clones, but it serves the same function, so I honestly couldn't give a shit what brand it is. These T12 soldering irons are pretty good because the tips on them are kind of like smart tips, if you want to call it, because as soon as you plug it in, it automatically detects which one it is and all of that, and it's pretty nice. I'm going to go over the unboxing. This is not a review at all. I am going to be hopefully doing a proper review, but for now I'm just going to unbox it just to get this unboxing video out of the way first. But anyways, I've got my knife here as usual, and let's just open that. I think I should put that down a bit. And if this gets out of frame, I apologize. I just hate the way I'm recording right now, because my rooms are really not in a mess, but I'm trying to overhaul my room a bit. So yeah, so I've just got stuff everywhere, and even my black table, which you see in every video, is pissing me off. But I am trying to get that sorted. I've got a way to DIY my own table, so I'm getting that sorted soon. But yeah, if you remember my old desk, yeah, that's part of it. Anyways, I've got to be very careful when I open this box. And by the way, I just forgot to say also, I've got Daniel on the line here. He's not going to speak because, yeah. Oh, never mind. Say hello to the video, Daniel.
Yo, what's up, kids?
Yo. Yeah, so basically, he's on a phone call with me right now, and we decided I might as well be on a call with him while I unbox it, because why not? First thing I immediately notice, all my tips, and those look like really nice tips, and the handle.
That's what she said.
Fuck off! Oh crap! I should actually bust out my old soldering iron and actually compare it. Give me a sec.
You're making this too easy for me.
I bust out my old soldering iron. Look at this. Look at this hunk of junk. That sounds a bit wrong still. This has been through too much use to the point where this handle thing doesn't go back on. As you can see, look, it's burnt and all that. It's to the point where I had to find like a dumb screw to try and get this tip in. Even then it wiggles, and the tip is actually really fucked. So yeah, that's basically my old one. And what I was worried about was that this soldering iron, it was nice for beginners, but it was really crap for precision work. So because the tip is really far away from the handle, it messes you up. So what I was thinking about was, how would this Quicko T12 handle serve for me? Anyways, let's get this. There we go. Let's get this one out. Anything else? No. Right, let's move that out of the way. One thing I immediately noticed is that it's got a bit of heft to it. It actually feels pretty nice. Ugh. And that, ooh, damn, that actually feels pretty nice. That actually feels really nice. Oh, it's a dial, but you know one of them ones where it kind of clicks every time you spin it? Something like that. I don't know how you would explain it, but it feels pretty nice. That's a 0.96 inch screen, if I remember correctly. And it just uses a standard kettle plug. I think it's just rubber feet. Yeah, it probably is. Let's get this out as well. Okay, one thing I really immediately noticed is how light it is. It does feel like pretty good plastic, which I can't lie to you about. It feels like, oh, actually, that's actually really nice. I thought it was going to be like really fat or just like crap feeling, but no, that's actually really nice to hold. I'll open this one, the chisel tip, if I remember it's called properly. There we go. Right, so if I remember correctly, this literally just slots in like that. Wow. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. That's actually a lot better than this. Look at that. Genuinely, look at that. That is fantastic. And I'm gonna put it up there. There you go, to match the wires. And that is fantastic. Because genuinely, this this is so much better than that. I can already immediately tell this is going to be a whole lot nicer to work with. And you will definitely be seeing this throughout my repairs. The only reason why I haven't been doing many repairs is because of my shite soldering iron. So now I can't really complain, can I? So that's how it goes in. And this is the type of connector my hot air gun station has as well, which is really nice. I can't lie, I kind of like the way these are built, even though they are kind of generic, but it's pretty nice. They didn't provide a kettle plug, which kind of sucks because, you know, it would have been nice if they provided one. Although they did say in the listing they wouldn't provide one, but it's cool. But that's basically like the world's worst review that I've done. You're gonna be seeing a proper review on this once I've found some time and messed around with it. Just zoom down a bit. Yeah, once I've got some time to mess around and get used to it, because that old soldering iron that I had was jack shit, and now I've got to kind of get used to this. Once I've had some time to play around with it and get used to the functions and navigate my way through and all that, I'm going to give a proper in-depth review. This is basically the world's worst unboxing that you've just basically seen on my channel. I am super psyched to use it to repair my stuff in the future, because actually a couple days ago from when you're seeing this, I bought a Nintendo DSi charging port because my Nintendo DSi's charging port is kind of fucked. So that's gonna come and I'm gonna try film a video and repair it. So that's basically plans that I've got, and it's coming perfectly in time. I can't wait to use these tips and get used to it, because honestly I don't even know what tip that is, but it's so fucked and I hate it. And you can't do anything precise with it, so this will basically help. Other than that, I've got other projects coming up, like this Xperia XZ. It works perfectly fine, but as you can see the LCD is kind of bleeding. This I've already tried fixing, but you know how Xperias are, they're miserable when you try to repair them, so I'm not going to do anything with that. I did want to record this video with this camera, but looking into it I did not know how crap Xperia phones, like cameras, were. Which is kind of an overstatement because they are pretty nice cameras. Other than that, I've got Daniel's S7, which apparently has a RAM issue, so I'm glad to take a look at that. So I can't wait. There's a lot of projects that I'm doing, and I just can't wait to show you guys. And that's basically my very rubbish video done. So thank you very much for watching. Daniel, do you want to say anything else?
Don't forget to eat a tin of beans today.
Yes, don't forget to eat a tin of beans today. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, and Daniel, I will see you guys in the next shitty video. Bye bye.